So our company actually has a complete set of tactics. So we have selected 12 or 3 points that are very useful to us. Summarize and share it with all. If anything is wrong, please criticize and correct me. So what is our first point? Grasp the core of value. One of them is autonomous and controllable. The second one needs to be a chain enterprise in the industry chain. So the third one is that we want to be a company with power in this industry. Let's talk about independent controllable. To be self-controlled in technology is the first step. Our semiconductor industry is high density and high tech. We've invested much effort in R&D in this field. Our team members all come from Tsinghua University. Hanyang Univ, Chengdu Univ of Electronic Science and Tech is a high-tech team. So this is achieved through tech, control, then we'll rise in tech. We've achieved good product quality, can iterate, then our product will have certain competitiveness. There is a gross profit. Then on this basis, we build on the team, also through economic team building, including our internal collective policies, including new employee training, employees' wages and benefits. Policies done well. Autonomy, controllability achieved. Our company achieved high-speed growth. This is a foundation for success.